This is a 2012 Chrysler 300, a luxurious package designed with the finest elements in mind. It features a 3.6-liter six-cylinder engine and an 8-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a remote start feature, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, a DVD player, a premium audio system, Sirius satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, solar control glass, cruise control, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a Sentry key theft deterrent system, projector beam halogen headlights, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 17,000 miles on the odometer. This Chrysler has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.